Hey guys, it's George from Wex here, and today I'm going to be telling you all about the Rode VideoMic GO II. This tiny on-camera microphone appears to just be your bog standard on-camera mic, but there's actually much more going on with this product, which I'm going to get stuck into now. So the first thing I want to tell you about this microphone is that it is obviously incredibly small. If I take off the windshield here, you can see just how tiny this microphone is, and it actually weighs 89 grams, so it's incredibly light. Now obviously this makes it perfect for mounting on top of a camera, and it also comes with this Rycote mount here. It's a shock absorbing mount, so basically if you stick it on top of the camera and you're wandering around, hopefully this should absorb a lot of its shock. This mount is actually adjustable as well, which is really cool, so you can move it along to determine basically how far it sticks out of your camera to make sure it doesn't get in the way. It also has built-in cable management here, so what you can do is once you've sort of plugged in your mic, then you can just thread the cables through here to keep them out of the way rather than having sort of dangly cables all over the place. The microphone is entirely phantom powered, so there's no battery in this. It's literally just phantom powered. It'll run off your camera, your phone or your PC, whatever you're plugging it into, and it is a shotgun mic, so it's highly directional. This windshield comes with the Rode VideoMic GO II, but there is also a dead cat which you can buy for it, but that doesn't come included in the box. But I would say the most interesting thing about this microphone is the fact that although it appears to be a fairly bog standard on-camera microphone, it's actually much more than that. And that's because, right, so you've got your aux out, so you can use an aux cable to plug it into your camera if that's what you'd like to do. But it also has a USB-C port, which you can see I'm tethered into now, which is actually plugged into my PC. Now, this means that I can use this mic as essentially my PC mic, so if I was doing any Zoom calls or podcasting or gaming, streaming, anything like that, then I can really easily use this Rode mic. I literally just plugged it into the PC, went into my sound settings, and it was on there straight away. It was incredibly simple to set up. But once you've plugged it into your PC, that's not the end there. What you can then go do is download the Rode Central app. The Rode Central app will basically give you a whole host of extra controls. So here we've got our input level or our gain level, so basically just controlling how loud the mic is. We've got our high pass filter there, which we can use to basically get rid of low end rumbles or refrigerator noises and all sorts of stuff like that. We've got our high frequency boost, so if we want to boost any of the high frequencies because of the environment we're recording in. And we have our direct monitoring. Now this is actually really cool because the direct monitoring basically means you can plug in a pair of headphones to the aux port, because I'm using the USB-C to connect to my computer. So the aux port is free, so I can just plug in my headphones into the aux port, and then I can use that to directly monitor. So if I plug them in, I can hear exactly what's coming through the mic. I can use this direct monitoring here to control the volume. This won't control the gain. This is just like how loud it is in my headphones. But one of the really cool things about that is, again, it works really well for like streaming and podcasting and stuff. Because let's say I'm streaming a game via Twitch or something, then what I can do is I can stick this mic on my desk, and then I can play around with the gain and actually plug my headphones directly into the microphone to hear exactly how loud it is, to make sure that my mix is perfect between, let's say, my voice, the audio coming through of the game, and perhaps if I had any music or anything like that going on in the background. It basically gives you loads of control for mixing it perfectly. You don't just need to use this with a computer or a camera though, you can also plug it into your phone. So let's say you're a content creator or an Instagram creator or something like that, you're doing, let's say, an Instagram live, but you want good audio quality, then you can plug this in via the USB-C directly into your phone, and once again use it exactly the same as your PC. This Rode Central app is also available on your phone as an app, so you can also get all of the exact same controls I just ran through with you on your phone, which basically kind of means this mic is like a 3-in-1 combo. It's great for on-camera usage, it's good for like actually as a permanent microphone for your PC, for any meetings, gaming, stuff like that you want to do, or you can plug it into your phone to just get top audio quality while recording on your phone. But of course, it's no use me telling you all about this microphone because you need to actually hear it. So what I've done now is I've tethered the Rode VideoMic GO II to my computer, and I have been using the Rode Wireless GO II. Sorry, there's so many GO IIs going on in this video. But I've been using the Rode Wireless GO IIs to record my piece to camera. So now I'm going to switch to the Rode VideoMic GO II, and you can hear the quality difference. Obviously, there should be some form of quality difference because I'm using a lapel versus a shotgun mic, but obviously I can't really hear how it sounds, so you guys can have to be the judge of that. I also have the Sennheiser MK400 microphone, which I reviewed a little while ago, so I thought it'd be fun to just do a quick test between the two microphones. So what I'm going to do is I'll plug in the Sennheiser MK400, I'll do a quick sort of mic test with that, and I'll do the same with the Rode VideoMic GO II, and then I'll play them both so you guys can compare and see which one you think has better highs and lows and has better sensitivity. So now I've plugged in my Sennheiser MK400 into my camera, which I'd say is roughly about 1 meter away from me. But of course, I'll keep all of that stuff exactly the same when I test out the Rode VideoMic GO II, which I'm going to switch to now. And now this is the Rode VideoMic GO II. Obviously, I'm sure there's some form of differences between the two microphones, between the highs and the lows and the sensitivity. But as I'm recording it right now, I can't actually hear the differences. So why don't you guys let me know in the comments which microphone you think is performing better and why? For me, I would always rate a more sensitive mic as better, because if the mic's not that sensitive, then I'm gonna have to turn up the gain a lot on my camera, which can sometimes just sort of ruin a bit of the audio quality or introduce a buzz or a hiss or a hum or anything like that. So for me, I always think it's better for a mic to be more sensitive, but I guess that is some form of personal preference. But yeah, it was just a quick video from me today, but I'm really excited about this microphone because not only can you use it as an on-camera mic, which obviously is extremely useful, but I really love the fact that I can plug it into my computer and easily use it as a microphone for meetings and just generally communicating with people on my computer. I think that's really cool because for me, it actually gives the mic a double use. I can leave it tethered to my computer the whole time, but then when I'm off out on a shoot, just quickly unplug it, chuck it in the kit bag, and away we go. I can use it on that too. I really like that Rode have done that, and hopefully this is sort of the way that microphones are going to be nowadays, sort of where they're moving towards, because having the multi-uses just gives it so much more extra value for money, in my opinion. That's it from me, guys. It was a really quick video today. I just wanted to give you a little taster into what this mic can do. I'm actually still using it to record this piece to camera right now, so there's a little bit more testing going on for you. You guys can hear the quality. I hope that was useful to you. Let me know if it was, and of course, if you did enjoy the video, then if you could subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on anything, that would be fantastic. But apart from that, I just want to say thanks for watching.